Hello friends, today we will learn basics of Photoshop. So the first one is new, second one is open, save as, move and crop. So let's open Photoshop. So the first one that we will see is to open a new document. So first of all we click this file and we click this new. And here we can define a name. We can define a name here, document name. Let's say I want to define this background. Then here we can select the size from here. There are preset size already defined, so from here we can choose any of the size. Let's say I want to select 6:4, or we can select 8:10. So from here we can set the size of the document. But if I want to custom by my own, so we can select from here. We can define width and height. So we can give, let's say, suppose for example I want to give 3.5 centimeter, and here I want to give 4.5 centimeter. This is called custom. Custom means you define your own size, and I want to keep this resolution 300. Let's discuss about this. Like, if your purpose is for printing, then we have to give resolution 300 so that we get a good quality print. And if your purpose is to display only in the screen, so we can give 72. Like if you are making designs for mobile applications, so we can use 72. Or if you are making a web layout template, so we can use 72 resolution. Then here we can define mode, RGB color mode. So as I have said, if your purpose is to display on the screen, so we can use RGB, red, green and blue color. And next one is cyan magenta, CMYK, cyan magenta, yellow and black color. If your purpose is for printing, so we have to keep this CMYK color. So as of now we keep RGB color. Then here we can see contents. We have white. White means it will come white background. Then background color means whatever the color that we have in the background, it will take that color. So now we have white, so it will take white background. And transparent means no any color. White, let me show you, and just click OK. So as you can see here, white. I repeat again, let's say suppose I take one color from here, background color, and I take a new document, shortcut key Control N. Now I'm giving resolution 300. Now if I select this background color, if I choose this background color, let's see what will be the color. So as you can see here, the color which I had taken in the background, the same color is here in the new document. Again, to take a new document, Control plus N. So transparent means what? Let's see. So there will be no any color. So as you can see here, there is no any color in the document. The next one we have is open. Open means to open a new file or a new picture. So we go to the file, we click this open, and we can select a picture, any picture from here. Let's say I want to select this picture, so I can see that the picture is here. Or we can use the shortcut key. Here you can see shortcut key to open is Control plus O. So we can press Control plus O to open a picture and select the picture and just open. Control plus O, I repeat. Okay, let me take a new document, Control N. Sorry, this is transparent. So we will take white background, and I will take one picture, Control O to open any picture. So I will just copy this picture, double click, and I will drag this picture here. To move, we have to use this move tool. This is called move tool. This is called the move tool. So I have to activate this and just drag it here. So as you can see, the picture is moved here. So I want to save this. Next command is to save. How to save this? So we go to the file and we click this save command. Sorry, this is save, Control plus S. We can click this, and we have to select a location where we want to save. So let's say I want to save in the desktop. I select desktop. Then we can define any name. And now we have to select this. Let's say for example, now I am selecting PSD format. PSD means Photoshop format, so that we can make some changes in the future. That is why we have to save in PSD format. So it is already saved. Next time if I want to save again, I can use save as command here. Now we want to save in a picture format. So same thing we have to do. So we have to click here JPG format, but make sure that in JPG format we cannot make any changes, and just click save. Okay, so as you can see here, it is saved here. This is in picture format, as you can see here, and the other one is PSD format, Photoshop format. So it will open in Photoshop so that we can make some changes again. The next one we have is move. As I have already told you, move. Let's say, suppose for example, I want to move this photo here. So we have to use this move tool. This is called the move tool. So we have to click here. And shortcut key for move tool is, let's say, suppose for example, I have selected this tool now. To activate move tool, we have to use V for move tool. And you just have to drag like this. So as you can see here, the picture is moved here, copied here. The next one we have is crop. Crop means to cut the unwanted part of the picture. Let's say, suppose I have taken a new document and I have moved this picture here. To move the picture again, you have to click this move tool and just drag it here. So I want to crop this picture. So let's say I have to use this crop tool. This is called the crop tool. You click it here, just drag it here. To crop, you click this, you have to click this tick mark and automatic it will be cropped. I repeat once again, to use the shortcut key to crop, shortcut key for crop tool is C. You have to press C from the keyboard and just select the picture that you want to crop. So you can set according to how much you want to crop, and you have to just set properly and click this tick mark. So as you can see here, the picture is cropped. That's all for today. Thank you so much.